The car business is getting horizontalized. Unfortunately, the U.S. car manufacturing business is still verticalized. Even Tesla, the innovation leader in business models, is even more verticalized than most car makers by selling cars through their own showrooms instead of independent dealers and even offering charging stations and insurance. Tesla makes their own batteries in their factories jointly with Panasonic. Strategically, Tesla styles itself after Apple. That made sense in the early electric vehicle market. There weren't suppliers for things like key software elements of an EV. Tesla turned that requirement into a virtue. But that's not how things are happening in China. At the recent Beijing Auto Show, the number of new vehicles announced, most of them electric, was something over 120, almost all of them new electric vehicles. The only way you can support that kind of Cambrian explosion of car species is with a horizontalized ecosystem. If you want to make a car, you can shop around for batteries, for platforms to put those batteries in, for motors to bolt to those platforms, for bodies to bolt on top of those platforms, and for all the components of interiors and exteriors. Even very established car makers like Geely and their electric sub-brand Zeekr buy batteries from specialist manufacturers, in this case CATL. Zeekr, in turn, provides electric vehicles for Waymo's autonomous taxi service. Huawei, who are also in the business of autonomous car technology, has partnered with several Chinese, Japanese, and European automakers to use their autonomous vehicle technology. Who can be in the car business? Anyone who can find and serve customers or channels in partnership with some other OEM. Xiaomi, a company known for mobile devices, makes electric vehicles sold in China. Notably, this is the exact opposite of the situation that Boeing found itself in. In the 787 project, Boeing tried to reshape the commercial airliner business to be more horizontal. It just doesn't work for a product as complex as commercial airliners. When Boeing's production rate is allowed to speed up again, they will make at most 50 or 60 Boeing 737s per month. That will be one of the highest volume airliner production lines on the planet, but it still needs the engineering and production of many critical systems to remain inside Boeing. 50 or 60 airliners a month is nothing compared with even a cell phone company dabbling in cars. Xiaomi expects to sell 100,000 cars in 2024 and to double that number in 2025. That kind of volume can support a diverse and competitive supply chain. That in turn supports the dozens to hundreds of electric vehicle models being designed and brought to market in China. The rest of the planet better pay attention to what's going on there.